What I would like to start very briefly is disruption. It is quite easy to forget that 25 years ago we didn't have access to all of these things, all of these devices, which changes our lives very dramatically. And the magnitude of change, and we can easily imagine the magnitude of change within the next 2 to 3 decades by just comparing what we have now, what we are now, in comparison with what we were in 25 years ago. Because what is for sure is that the pace of technology development will never be as slow as today. This is just justified by something which is called Moore's law, which claims that every more or less 2 years the computational power doubles. So it simply means that the world is developing in exponential way. What does it mean in practice? 2 examples. In 1980s, the most sophisticated torpedo has a computer which had 16 kilobytes of memory. Now, during start and the takeoff and landing of F-35 combat jet, 2 terabytes of data are being sent from this combat jet to the central computer. These are only numbers, but the first number is more or less 100 million times smaller than the second number, which simply means that if you could compare the computer of this torpedo with this ball, then this data which are being sent by F-35 should be compared with the size of the Earth. So this is more or less the comparison.